On this channel, we do day trading in slow motion, very slow. Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Welcome to the Edu Matrix channel, where we invest in exotic currencies, mostly the Iraqi dinar. However, the IQD is not the only currency we invest in.
As you already know, most exotic currencies are usually traded in pairs using an online Forex broker. However, many viewers on this channel hold 500,000 to 1 million Iraqi dinars. But the IQD is not the only currency we invest in. Most times, we purchase the currencies through a foreign currency travel store. We then have the currency sent to our physical location. When a currency increases in value against the US dollar, we go to the bank to exchange it for US dollars. Be careful, the bank will notify the IRS if the amount is over $10,000. No, we don't day trade. Sometimes we hold a currency for 18 years, like the Iraqi dinar, or sometimes our trading event is short-term, like with the Turkish lira, or sometimes after we use our debit card to purchase gold for $50 a month, we have 1 ounce of gold sent to our front door. Nowadays, it's like having over $2,500 sent to your home. You take possession of your gold to have control over your assets. You don't have to wait for the bank to open or adhere to new and demanding bank policies. Suppose you want to know your total currency asset value at any given moment. In that case, you can purchase the International Currency Trading Tool. This is a software that keeps track of 91 different currencies. It can be used online or on your mobile device. The link is in the description. We are about slow trading, not day trading. However, if you wake up in the morning and one of the currencies you are holding increases in value while you are sleeping, then you could be accused of swing trading. No problem. A profit is a profit. But this profit will be taxed as short-term. We report our profits, yet we have complete control over our tax liability based on the timing of our exchanges. And our predetermined tax write-offs include setting up a real home-based business. You can join the channel's membership for a seriously low monthly fee to learn how to manipulate your taxes legally each year. Sandy Ingram, the channel's publisher, has been registered with the IRS since 1999. It's all about your AGI. Let's talk about the Turkish lira. You might be wondering, why are hedge funds suddenly interested in a currency that's had a rough year? Let's break it down. Despite its recent struggles, the Turkish lira is attracting major attention from international investors. Hedge funds are pouring billions of dollars into it, and here's why. The Turkish government has rolled out some economic reforms aimed at stabilizing the currency and curbing inflation. This has boosted investor confidence, making the lira look like an undervalued gem ready for a comeback. Now, you might be thinking, is this just another risky bet? Absolutely, there are risks. The Turkish economy is still volatile and political uncertainty looms large. But here's the kicker. If the Turkish central bank decides to raise interest rates, the lira could bounce back in a big way. Some investors are betting that this will make the lira more attractive and cause its value to rise. But let's keep it real. This is not a guaranteed win. If the lira continues to fall, investors could lose a lot of money. And while some analysts are optimistic, pointing to Turkey's young population and growing economy, others are more cautious. They highlight Turkey's large current account deficit and dependence on foreign capital. In short, the lira's future is a mixed bag. So what should you do? Do your research. Understand the potential risks and consider seeking advice from financial experts.